This video explains how to enable the boot menu and disable secure boot. Plug the USB into your computer before starting. To boot your computer from a USB, first power it on and repeatedly press the boot key to access the boot menu. To find the boot key menu specific to your PC brand, you can search online or refer to the provided documentation. Common keys for accessing the boot menu could include F12, F11, F2, or ESC. Select USB from the boot device menu. If you can't access the boot menu as shown on the screen, you need to activate the boot menu or disable secure boot from the BIOS. If you encounter a security-related error on your PC similar to the one I experienced, you need to disable secure boot from the BIOS settings. On this computer, there is no option to activate the boot menu from the BIOS side. To disable secure boot or enable the boot menu from BIOS, restart the PC and repeatedly press the BIOS menu key. You can find the BIOS key by checking the provided documentation or conducting an online search. Now that we've accessed the BIOS, navigate to the Security tab in the BIOS settings, locate the option for Secure Boot, disable it. To understand what changes to make in the BIOS and how it looks, refer to the BIOS examples for enabling boot menu or disabling secure boot. I've taken samples from the web of various devices, and these are shown in pictures over the video. Keep in mind that the BIOS menu functionality differs across devices. Now coming back to my PC, secure boot disabling, save changes and restart PC. During restart, repeatedly press your PC brand's boot menu key. As explained at the 16th second of the video, how to find boot menu key. Select USB from the boot device menu. Now we have accessed successfully boot menu.